Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I had a wild thought the other day. I wonder if plants that are astringent would fire roll. And so I looked up which plants are the most astringent, and among them would be white oak bark. Well, look what we have here. Let's see if I can get some relatively dry bark off of that, and we'll fire roll it right quick. All right, we definitely have ignition. I can go ahead and process up my pine needles now. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.